What's up guys, my name is TechNumber here for Troubleshoot, and originally I wasn't planning on making a video for this. However, since I uploaded my last Valorant video, there have been a couple of comments saying that they haven't been able to download the game after signing in, and well, it's mainly because you actually need the key in your account. How exactly do you get a closed beta key? Well, it's rather simple. You connect your Riot Games account to your Twitch account, and you watch any Valorant stream with drops enabled, and as far as I know, that's any Valorant stream, full stop. However, there is one very important detail that a lot of people haven't found out or don't know about, especially in South Africa where I am. You need your Riot Games account to be created in either EU or NA, and if you're outside of those places, you'll need to use a VPN to create your account. As far as I know, once you've linked it, your Twitch viewing activity isn't country locked for a Valorant key. So that being said, how exactly do you create an account if you're outside of the EU or North America? Well, you simply need yourself a VPN, whether it's free or paid. Now, I currently pay for a NordVPN account, not sponsored. You could use absolutely any VPN provider for this, free or paid. All that you need to do is connect to either somewhere in the US if you'd like a North American key. Otherwise, you can zoom into the United Kingdom, somewhere around there, and connect, then create your account. And we'll get there in a second. However, of course, if you're not interested in paying for a VPN, there are, of course, free VPN solutions. And more than likely, I'd suggest using a trial. Now, as far as I know, TunnelBear is one of the companies that offer this. I personally haven't used their trial as I pay for a VPN. But heading across to the site, Get TunnelBear, you can see free 500 megabytes of secure browsing, I'm pretty sure, per month for free. All you need to do is create an account, log in once you've downloaded it, connect to somewhere in the EU or US, and create your account. After you've created your account and you've linked it to your Twitch account, you're more than free to uninstall your VPN and move on with your life. So either way, I'll be showing you exactly how to do that. So with my VPN open, I'll connect to somewhere in the EU, and I'll just simply connect to the United Kingdom. Then once you've connected, you can simply minimize it and open up a web browser of choice. So simply head across to the first link in the description down below, which will take you to the Riot Games account sign-up page. All you need to do is make sure to click Create Account if you don't already have one. Then you'll be taken to this page over here. Simply in the top right, make sure that your region is correct. I'm connected to an EU West VPN, the UK, so region should match EU West or wherever you are. Of course, I'm pretty sure that this only works with EU and North America, so keep that in mind. Then simply enter an email address down here, which I'll do right now. Then simply click Start. Then choose a date of birth. I'll enter mine over here, and then click Next. Then we'll enter a username, password, and confirm our password. Here are the guidelines for such. Make sure you agree and click Next. Then once you've signed up for an account, you'll see this over here. If you have a password plugin, make sure to save your password. Otherwise, make sure that you have your username and password saved somewhere else. Then you should shortly after receive an email to the address that you put in. Then simply head across to Twitch. Over here, I have my page open, but wherever you are isn't really important. In the top right, click your logo, and then head across to Settings. Then under Settings, head across to the Connections tab, and we'll scroll down a little bit until we see Riot Games. Simply click the Connect button on the far right, and if you receive this message about a pop-up, simply click Options and allow pop-ups. Then this page over here will pop up letting you sign in to your account. So I'll simply do that. I'll make sure to click Stay Signed In, though this probably isn't too important, and I'll click Next. Then you'll see this over here. Twitch will receive the following information. Simply click Authorize. And then after that's done, the page will go white, and at the top you'll see Callback Success. Of course, because I'm using Firefox instead of Google Chrome, it's working a little bit differently. I'm pretty sure in Chrome you'll get taken back to this page over here, where after a simple refresh, you'll see that the account is now connected. However, of course, because I'm using Firefox, this was a little bit different. Either way, you can see Riot Games, your Riot Games account is connected, and we have the option to disconnect it. So from this point, all we need to do is find someone playing Valorant and watch them until we get a key drop. Now, of course, there are people like Anomaly who are constantly playing back recorded live streams from the past purely for drops. As you can see, 24/7 drop stream. You can watch either people replaying VODs or people actually playing the game. It doesn't really matter as long as you have a stream open and unmuted. As far as I've heard, then great. So from what I've heard about getting key drops, it only counts on one stream, so I wouldn't recommend watching more than one stream unless you really want to. Then for performance and data, I'd make sure to put the quality down on the lowest available 160p. For the volume, don't mute it as that might count as inactive. Have it slightly more than unmuted so that you don't see the cross next to the audio button. Then I've also heard that muting the tab entirely stops it counting as active and you'll be counted as inactive. Then, after this point, you can go ahead and minimize your browser if you want or leave it open. If you wouldn't want to hear the stream, which I'm sure you won't, simply open up your audio mixer, head across to the right device, and simply mute the browser of choice here. Twitch is not able to know what volume it has over here, though it may be possible for it to know if the tab is muted, and it definitely knows what the volume level over here is. So, you could put it all the way up, doesn't really matter. Either way, once you've reached this point, you're free to go ahead and disconnect from your VPN and refresh the Twitch page that you were on. In fact, you probably could have disconnected as soon as it said the account was connected properly. I simply just forgot to. So I'll disconnect now and I'll make sure to refresh this Twitch page over here. And a quick final note that may help you get Twitch key drops and also secure your account. Make sure to head across to the link in the description once again and sign into your account. After you sign in, you'll be taken to the League account management page right over here. Simply make sure to 1. Verify your email address by clicking that button over there. Shortly after clicking it, you should receive an email. Then number 2, no matter what country you're currently viewing this page in, this over here will show you where your account was created. As you can see, it's United Kingdom, which is of course in the EU, which of course means I'm eligible for drops. Over here is my email that I've received. So I'll simply click verify email and a new tab will open up saying you've successfully verified your email address. Then if we head across to the connected apps section, you can see Twitch, permissions, account ID, offline access, region, and we can disconnect it here once we're done getting a key if you so wish. Otherwise, leaving them connected is probably harmless. Of course, if you've done all of those, I would recommend refreshing the Twitch stream just in case it has any effect on it, and just in case it'll have effect on drops. Unmute it, and then we can go back to idling. After you've done that, you're completely legible for drops, and you should be able to get a drop either in the EU if you created your account using an EU VPN, or you'll get a North American key if you created a North American Riot Games account. Either way, that's about it. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technumber here for Troubleshoot. Hopefully this video helped you, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.